Christmas.
In December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold, longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright.
Hello my Cakesters, welcome back to CAKEMAS. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to join the Cake family. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly.o_ and let's get straight into the video. As you guys see down in the title, we have a returning family member because lady is not a guest, she's a family member of the Cakesters. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce my girl, Kelliana.
Hi there, good afternoon. Nice to be here.
Good afternoon. Y'all can go ahead and check out Kelliana's TikTok. It will be linked down below so you can go ahead and watch her version of this beautiful video.
Okay.
Let's get into the baking process.
Yeah, girl. Ever been before?
No.
Okay. First of all, I'm a cakester.
Yeah.
And I see them and say, like, she asks, what do you want to see? I say, you know what? I'm doing VLOGMAS. And what me want to do this year is kind of like collaborate with other creators. So I don't know Kimberly that first, like. But soon as someone wants her for bake, I say, alright, say less. I get the cakes as what they want. So today we'll be baking cinnamon rolls, but instead of the cinnamon, I made a sorrel jam. Or you make the jam, after you don't boil the sorrel, you don't have to throw it away. You just put back your sorrel in the blender, add a little either the sorrel mixture or water, and you blend that up. And then after you do that, you just put it in the pot. You want to blend it so it not pulpy.
Yeah.
Then you put it in the pot and you add the granulated sugar and all of your spices and whatever, nutmeg, whatever, and just bring that to a boil. You know, like how we did the practical at school, I would make jam. All of the girls that did the food and nutrition. Yeah. All the girls that did the food and nutrition, they make jam at some point. That's also another way. When you don't make a sorrel, nobody that shit way. Add some water or sorrel itself to the sorrel, blend it up, and you can start making jam.
Actually, me and kitchen not go really well.
Yeah.
When I would tell Kelly a huge thanks because you know say we don't do kitchen business.
The girl are cooking her, but she just, you know.
But
she know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Murders are all these are gonna Kelly.
We don't weigh out everything already because you know we can't go bother with all of that stuff.
Yeah.
We weigh everything. So this is flour, this is yeast, 2 eggs, the sugar, butter it in the fridge because you know time hot and so. This is icing sugar because we're kind of make one frosted post on top of it. But we are experienced. So if you feel me and Kim feel get there.
And we're still push through because at the end of the day whenever come tell us we're a baking.
We never tell about so we're a baking.
I never tell you that.
Father don't want national bakery.
That is
Cakesters bakery lockdown. So me can't say me telling you say we're a baker, we're trying to think for CAKEMAS.
That is it. If you're excited, you know when they don't know if you do something
and they are gonna do it.
Is I'm excited you see come down.
I'm a regular baking and I'm tell you I'm bring out the best of the best. Equipment for Kimberly.
Kitchen aid.
Okay.
Let's get into the baking.
Listen to me, people. Never told me I bake because some of the things I'm from before, not in my head. So the first thing we're supposed to do is pour the milk in the bowl and then sprinkle the yeast. Like, because we don't know yeast.
Things rise.
Alright, so we'll pour the milk in the bowl and then add the yeast to it. Alright, so it said to let the yeast sit for 3 to 4 minutes and then after we'll add the egg.
Guys, Kelly is so passionate about everything that she does. Look there. We'll take effort and pride now. We'll do the rest of them now do this, you know. So make sure you subscribe. Go watch Kelly TikTok them. Shout out VLOGMAS on TikTok.
25 days straight.
25 days straight. No breaks.
No breaks. Third year in a row.
Third. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. My first time.
Third year in a row.
Gordon Ramsay. Hey, mama.
Whoa. Merla!
It's so I'm not coming in the kitchen. But I need to take me out.
It's falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Listen, guys. Look how much I get a cookie video.
We don't know why you're still in there. We are a little bit fancy.
Me have faith.
Oh, man.
My mom used to fix it, you know.
I feel the size of a mustard seed right now. The recipe what we use, them say 16 ounces of milk.
Probably them didn't make it bigger.
Yeah,
No. This is a post my VLOGMAS video.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's I remember.
So the milk and the flour, it never
work.
So I feel rolling Steffi thing. I need it like, yeah. So we're wait. Kind of when you press it, it's supposed to kind of like come up back. So we're getting look at time.
We're going to look at time for rice and get the elasticity.
Alright, and then we roll it out, put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and then we eat that.
And if you don't say cookie, I just cookie. Because whenever I come to the so we are baking.
Alright.
Because baker, as Kelly said, baker them yard.
Alright. When I work at Cakesters Bakery, I would work at National Bakery. Yeah, why?
That is it. My son.
We believe in the time on God. Oh, guys, we did it, Joe.
Look at. Well, I'm gonna look. Watch it. Should I jump in?
Big up Stephanie.
One step.
If you come here and say, I'm showing you this.
Yeah, she said, oh no, don't put my anger bang.
So now we're gonna put some flour up on the cupboard, wipe it off and everything. Put the dough up on the cupboard, roll it out, and then we're gonna add the sorrel jam.
Oh no, I'm not drink sorrel, you know. But Steph give me a little sorrel when I come, so I trust Kelly.
Yeah.
Because the apple can't fall too far from the tree.
Period.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
So like how you put the flour on this, and now you just have to roll.
Roll your birds merrily down the street.
Roll, darling.
I'm gonna bake one cake for my boyfriend. Anyhow, this come out good. May I text Kelly, I say, Kelly, active.
Active.
You see your man birthday come up? May I bake one cake.
Alright, lift it up now, roll to the side then. Put some flour, right. So yeah, spread it out.
Get your girl. And go. Book me.
Not the book me.
I can't do everything in that ear, me book me.
Guys, if you turn on about the oven, because boy, I tell you a little while. We never believe.
So Nancy said, time on God.
Yeah.
Time on God.
True creators keep the truth in there.
But we could have said, guys, a cookie we are making up if it mess up, you know?
Yeah. We can lie too, no.
But we say, no, if it mess up, we don't know, say we just never bake it. But next time, we'll have bake it.
No, like when Perry do the fish and he bun it up.
Watch baker. A baker.
Yeah, that girl
that's
Can roll out the edges some more.
Yeah, I'm gonna get focus on the edges. She.
When you roll, now that it gets in, when you roll, you have to lift it up. So like you roll go out, you lift it up.
Auto.
Right.
Okay.
Anytime it has stick, because Kimberly gonna do this again, you know, guys. So when it has stick, you just
There's a way to do this again.
put a good flour on it.
For sure, this is a bake.
Yeah, I mean, for real.
As a baker, so I'm not too serious. You're a baker like me. When you get a baker like me, you get substance,
You get
quality.
Right.
You know what's a good baker?
With this.
Can't believe how it is. So long earlier when you first see this.
Hey, watch it come out like how I see it on the TikTok.
TikTok never tell a lie.
No, you're crazy.
This actually smells good.
I make it tasty.
I'm not too fabulous with the style, I don't know.
You like jam?
No. I'm not a sweets girl.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat sweets. Right now when I cooking me again, guys. My shift gear, I'm gonna baking. Personal league, long time. This smells so good, Kelly. You did a big one with the jam.
That makes sense. That makes sense, Kim.
That makes sense?
That makes sense. Kind of, just nobody put it too much to the edge.
Yeah.
Kind of roll it up.
Making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
So guys, normally people like cut them cinnamon roll before, but I do, because you're going with too much excitement, we don't really want to cut around everything spread out. So what we're gonna do is just bake it like this and then cut it after. This is our version of sorrel roll. So we're not gonna make it and tag me and Kimberly.
Yeah.
And show you how it's done. Do that. Yeah, do that.
I think we're gonna banger, so no need for I don't know, can link with for one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I sell this when it's done?
Yeah.
For sure.
Next year Christmas,
I
Kelly
feel
and Kim.
K and K, sorry, roll.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January.
You know, smell fabulous.
And you smell good.
You know, it's a
So?
bakery.
No matter how it look in the ending, guys, just know. It's good.
Tastes pretty good. And then Kelly make one frosting.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like how you normally glaze a cinnamon. I went never get cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
Like a glaze with sorrels on the roll. But inside there's some fully baked. Do you play it in here, Kelly? We did it.
Inside that's why I'm making it.
Murder.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Alright. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
I'm going to go ahead and insert the final product on the screen. I'll rate it down in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10.
Right.
And then you know already,
Yeah.
nothing less than 10.
Alright.
And you
I'm
know,
going to bakies.
no, me a baker.
Go for it. Every time it's a baker, I say go for them.
Guys,
Cinnamon
remember,
roll.
we've not any bakies.
You know that, eh?
Okay? So do
Don't
not
not do that.
judge. Because remember, God don't
Yeah.
like people that judge. So, don't judge.
We watch and we don't
listen,
judge.
but we don't judge. Okay? Trust me, the taste is what. Man.
So the secret emoji for this video is going to be donuts. Comment that down in the comment section if you've reached this far of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out Kelly TikTok account.
Life with Kelliana.
Bye!
Bye, guys.
Hold up, I am on